Growth investing. In short and in a nutshell, it is investing in those companies which exhibit signs of above average growth. Investors do not bother whether the prices of the shares are high. The only thing they take into the consideration is the growth factor, and investors should try to spot that. But what is the growth factor? Any company whose business generates significant positive cash flows or earnings which increase at significantly faster rates than the overall economy can be categorized under growth. Investors who wishes to follow this strategy should look for companies that exhibit huge growth in terms of revenues and profits. Own research is the best option to identify a growth share. A growth investor should look into the past year's data to recognize the past growth rates of the company and based on his studies about the industry's potential and company's prospects. Investors then should try to estimate the future growth of the company. Investors should also look to spot a company that grows at a minimum 15% annually. For identifying stocks with high potential, growth investors should look at key variables such as rate of growth in per share earnings over the last 5 to 10 years, expected growth in earnings over the next 5 years or so, operating profit, net profit margins and business efficiency. Growth investing is considered to be a risky step as the state of affairs of a company and also the market can change any time in a day, which will lead to a fall. Also, investors should remember that the skyrocketing shares are not growth shares as the shares reach higher levels sometimes due to fraudulent activities also. High price is never a criteria for spotting a growth share. Small caps and mid caps are the best options for growth share investment. It is the growth rate that finally makes them large caps. It is advisable to watch companies that have grown from small cap to mid caps. It is advisable to observe companies that breach all-time high levels and investigate why the prices skyrocketed and then investment can be done. What are the pros and cons of growth investing? The biggest advantage of this approach is potential for incredible returns in a short period of time. On the negative side, these shares carry the potential for huge losses also. Market downturns hit growth stocks far harder than value stocks. In growth investment, it is essential for the investor to identify businesses that face little threat of erosion so that earnings growth of those companies is not impacted. On the whole, it is advisable for the investors to go for growth investing only if they have a strong and a high risk appetite. Venkatraman's report for DD News, New Delhi.